Welcome to B-Town. I just want to do an unboxing of the SOG Throwing knives that I received for Christmas from my brother. Pretty fucking cool, if you ask me. So how's your day going? It's still raining outside. I can't even open the box. Oh, I gotta do it this way. Wow, these things are sealed. Okay, I'm just gonna rip them. I don't need the box anyways. So yeah, my brother got me these for Christmas. Pretty cool gift. SOG Throwing knives. Fixed blade fling. Each handle wrapped in 7 feet of paracord, balanced to enhance your throwing. Lifetime warranty. Thank you. I've never had other products from SOG, but I don't know, these feel nice. Wow. Oh, cool. I'm in a sheath. I had no clue that was in there. I thought they just gave me throwing knives. Thanks, man. So yeah, they feel pretty damn sharp. They feel like I could throw them. Do any of you people own SOG products? I don't always mean to say, guys. I know girls probably watch this too. There's a lot of girls out there that got some big ass balls. They fit in there nice. A tactical light. I got this piece of wood. I have no idea how this got destroyed like this. I think it used to be a cutting board. Oh, yeah. That would work. Cool. You guys into stuff like this? I like anything. I like guns. I love knives. Anything tactical. Anything outdoor, anything survival. I wonder if I could sharpen the edges on these. If I should. Or if it's... Ooh. The tips are very sharp. If anybody knows about throwing knives, is it just supposed to be the tip that's sharp? Or the sides also? This is my first set. I asked him for throwing knives for Christmas, and he got me throwing knives for Christmas. Pretty cool. Another question. Have you guys ever had these nuts? They're pretty damn awesome. Honey cinnamon almonds from Kroger. My lame jokes. I'm getting old. If you watch my channel, thank my brother for giving us these cool knives to open on the channel. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.